Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So right here, we're taking a look in the box of the Warmshine cable management tool. So, probably like myself and like many others, we have cables that are going all over the place. A little bit less now with, wireless mice and keyboards, but I look around, there's cables everywhere. And some of these management tools, actually, you can stick them like to the wall, stick them to the desk. This one is actually weighted, so it's kind of cool. So it is pretty heavy in the box here, and this is a 2-pack. And because it's weighted, it's not going to move around a lot, and then you can slip the cables right in there. So right here, let's just go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. Very cool. So we have 2 of these here. You can get an idea of what the design is. And for the most part, we're going to be able to get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll be able to get 4 cables, maybe a few more if you have thin cables that can sit on top of each other. So we'll get 4 cables that actually will sit here and can actually be managed with that. So if I were to find something, of course I can't find a cable right now. So if I were to find a cable, grab this cable here. So if I were to show you kind of what this looks like, because it's weighted, it's going to sit nice and flat. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this and place it right through there, and it's not going to move around all over the desk. It's going to keep it nice and in line. And the great thing about having 2 of these is not so much that you probably need it for extra cables going this way, but you can manage the cable going further back on the desk and keep everything in line. And you can see there, I could definitely stack like 3, maybe 4 cables if they're like USB cables without a problem. So that right there is the weighted cable organizer. Now this one again is called the Warmshine. It's a 2-pack. And let's see, anything else on here that it mentions? It's like a whitish gray. It says it's durable. It says it holds 4 cables, but again, because of the height of it, I'm going to say you're going to get much more than that. And you can see all these are definitely flexible. It's not like hard plastic or anything, so they will move around as you put the cables in there, but then it's going to conform back and be tight on that cable, so it's not going to go all over the place. So there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I will see you soon.